Email subscriptions to SSRS reports can now be completed in opLYNX Central. Simply go to Utilities, Report Subscriptions, and then you just have to either search from the top right-hand side or navigate to the report that you wish to update and click on it. It'll open a window, and then you can just use semicolon between email, and you can either add or remove any email addresses, and the changes are completed instantly. So you can just save your changes and that will go through right away. So now you have the option of changing a ticket number or vendor from within opLYNX Central. So assuming you know which ticket you're going to be working from and you found it already, you can click on the ticket. It'll open in a new window. And what you can do is actually just click where it says ticket number. It'll pop up into a new box. And from here, you can edit it as needed, hit OK, and then you just have to save your ticket. If you wanted to change the company, i.e. the vendor, you can click on that and select from your drop-down the correct vendor name. Same thing, make sure you save your work. And you're all set. Now I'll show you how to search by service request or ticket number. So under services, you can select service requests or tickets. You don't need to choose any filters whatsoever, and you're going to hit find my request number. And you have to know the full request number and not a partial. And then it'll return the results with your request number. You can then open it and change it as needed. Let's try the same with tickets. So I'm going to select tickets. I'm not going to choose any of the filters. I'm going to click find by ticket number. And you have to know the full ticket number, not a partial. And you're going to hit OK. And now you can see it returned the results with your ticket number. And like before, you can click and open the ticket and take a peek at the details as needed. Now it's really easy to make bulk run changes in opLYNX Central. So from the left-hand navigation under Production Config, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom to Monitored Component Run Mapping, MC Run Mapping, and you're going to select that. And what you'll do is you're going to choose the run for the items that you originally want to select in order to move them. So these, for example, are in the opLYNX undefined run. So you can select one. You can select one and use Shift Control or hold down your control button and select more. Then what you would do from the top is you're going to choose Move to Run. And then you just have to select the new run. And we'll hit Done. Now you'll see these items are pending transactions, which means that they are going to wait for the run gen to go through at night, and they won't disrupt any operators' sync times on their tablets or cause any potential calculation issues for any operators. If you need to, you can hit display and it'll show you all of the changes that you have submitted. You can, and we don't recommend this during the daytime, but you can force a run change through processing transactions. You just have to be aware of the consequences that it can cause syncing issues on tablets for opLYNX Remote. But yes, you can just hit back, and then as you make more changes, you will see that those will show up as different pending transactions. And now you have 8, you can view them, and you can view which runs they're scheduled to be moved to. Now I'm going to show you how you can select multiple attachment types to attach to a form instead of just photos. So from the top right-hand corner, I have a form already open. You can use an existing form or create a new form from operational forms. I'm going to hit the paperclip. Bottom right-hand corner, you're going to hit the plus sign. Previously, this would have only shown options for photos, but now you can choose gallery to select a photo, or you can choose file to select any file type you need. So I'll select Excel as my first example, and you can see how that attaches here, and you have to name it. So there's an Excel file, but now let's see if we can attach a PDF. So I'm going to go in again, I'm going to hit File. I'm going to scroll many different downloads here, and you can see how the PDF appears. You hit OK. You have to name it, which is helpful for when opening it on tablets or the mobile device. And so you can see how they show up here, and you can see the file type. So from here, you're going to hit the back. Yes, you want to save. And now in the top right-hand corner, once this form loads, there we go. You can see that there's two different attachments.